In this video, I will show you how to get the Crypto.com card. To do this, simply go and open up Crypto.com, and in the bottom right of the app you want to go and click on card. And here you can see the card. What you want to do here is click apply now. And then here first you can see that we are currently on the Midnight card. If you click in the top right, you can see complete setup right here. So what you will need to do is click Crypto.com card and then start. Or from here, what you can go and do is first read the terms and conditions, and you will need to do the address verification. So basically from here, just click card terms and conditions. Now go and read them, and if you agree, click on agree, and also on the one down there. Now make sure that you actually agree with it, and then click confirm. And then from there you have done that. Now what you will need to do is proof of address. So click get started. Now here select your country of residence. So for me it's the Netherlands. And then from there enter your address. And then the address verification, so it's now submitting your address, so then your identity is verified. And now from here, what you can see, the virtual card issue status is currently set to pending. Now you just want to wait for that to finish. It can take a couple of hours, but after that is finished and it says matched, accepted or completed, from there you will then have your virtual card, and you can go and order a physical card if you want to. So now you know how to get the Crypto.com card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.